Haley Friedman here, and Erica, how to choose a real estate agent. So we're doing this video today in English and in Spanish.
Hola, ¿cómo están? Este video es de información sencilla que se puede usar en escogiendo un agente de bienes y raíces. La información va a ser en inglés y en español.
That's right, in English and in Spanish. So don't forget to hit the like button, share this video. Don't forget to ring that bell icon, ding, 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 so you can subscribe and see future videos.
No se les olvide de darle un like a este video, reparten este video y tocan la campana, ding, ding, ding.
So before we get started with how to choose your real estate agent, I think it's important that we do make connections and we know if we're compatible with people. That's one of the key factors. So here's a little bit more about who I am as a real estate agent and why I do what I do.
Lo que sigue es un comercial explicando un poquito más de lo que hacemos aquí.
I relocated to the greater Sacramento area over 30 years ago as a family of 4 to plant our roots. What makes a place a home are the connections one makes to the community. Whether you're looking to buy or list your home, building the bridge to your next destination can be accomplished through my integration services. Integration through connections is what it's all about. From our family to yours, we say, welcome home. Licensed realtor in California, serving all Californians.
That's right. It's my family and the connections that I make within the community and giving and serving back to the community that we are incredibly blessed and growing expeditiously.
Estamos aquí para servir y conectar con la comunidad y estamos creciendo mucho.
That's right. And one of the reasons why we're growing and one of the reasons we're bringing on new partner realtors to share this opportunity and to serve in the community is that many people speak different languages, their native tongue. And so Erica has joined us as a fellow realtor who speaks Spanish, and there's a huge need in California for Spanish-speaking realtors.
Y Haley trabaja con muchas personas de muchos idiomas y hoy les trajo esta información en español.
So now, top 4 things to consider when choosing a real estate agent. Number 1, interview them.
La primera cosa que uno tiene que hacer es dar una entrevista de su agente.
Working with people very closely is important that you're compatible with them. Compatibility is key. And so this is the single largest purchase or single largest sell that you will make of the largest purchase that you've already made in your lifetime. So purchasing or selling and repurchasing is a huge, huge financial investment for your family. So it's key that you are compatible with the person that you're working with.
La entrevista es muy importante porque van a trabajar juntos en la compra o una venta de su casa. Es una compra-venta más grande de su vida y uno tiene que tener una conexión con su agente.
Perfect. And a great way to do that is number 2, by asking friends and family members about realtors that they have used in the community. Some key things to remember: it should be a realtor that has helped them. If you're ready to buy, then it's a realtor that has helped them purchase their home in a similar community, similar type of home. Same if it's a listing, if you're looking to list your home, that it's someone that has worked in that arena.
Okay, pregunten a sus familias y sus amigos sobre el agente que ellos usaron, especialmente si van a comprar, un agente que ayudó a comprar. Si van a vender, un agente que ayudó a vender.
Reason number 3, check the license with the DRE. DRE, Department of Real Estate. So everywhere you go, there's going to be a Department of Real Estate. They're going to have the license number that you'll be able to go on to your state agencies and look that up. Super important to take that very important step and look up their real estate license.
Asegúrense que tengan un agente con licencia actual en el Departamento de Bienes y Raíces de su estado. Todos los estados tienen un Departamento de Bienes y Raíces y ahí pueden encontrar la información sobre su agente y si están con la licencia actual.
And along those same lines of reason 3, when you're checking out the Department of Real Estate, something that we all are able to do is go online and check out the realtor that you've interviewed. So you can go onto online platforms and look for their reviews, whether it's things like Zillow, Realtor.com, Yelp, all the different platforms. check out and see what this realtor has done and what the people that they've worked with are saying about them.
También pueden leer las críticas que se pueden encontrar en los platforms como Zillow, Yelp. Ahí les van a dar mucha información sobre el tipo de agente que van a entrevistar.
So number 4 is super important, and this is state-of-the-art technology. So what does that mean? Well, it's vital to compete in today's market if you have access to not just someone who has technology, but someone who is a leader or is a trailblazer, is the premier, the #1 real estate brokerage that deals with technology. One of the things why I personally, and I've said this in other videos, partnered with eXp Realty is they are a cloud-based brokerage. It's an online brokerage, state-of-the-art. So when you're looking for a real estate agent, super important that not just being a contender, not just being, oh yes, we have technology, but actually leading the trail. That is what's going to equate to you being able to have access to the most competitive networking resources, offers, etc.
Lo más importante es que usen el estado del arte de la tecnología para servirle. I can say that word.
That's okay. Español es muy difícil para mí, pero para ella es fácilmente, pero hay poquito palabras, es difícil para todos. En inglés, yo no sé some words también.
Yeah.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
So I think this is real and it's raw, and this is what we're offering people. So you're not looking for perfection when you're working with someone, you're looking for integrity and honesty. So I appreciate you, Erica. Basically, it's state-of-the-art technology, right?
Yes, state-of-the-art technology. Se usa para que estén un paso enfrente de los demás. Es muy importante.
And eXp Realty, when I shared this opportunity with Erica, and that it's online because she's so savvy at that, it was something that really helped her as an agent as well. So they really are a trailblazer. So it's been nice partnering with her. And now she's able to serve the clients that are calling that are Spanish speaking and English speaking as well. Well, if you stayed this long, I appreciate it, because number 5 is a little nugget that we've saved for you if you stayed till this part. Also, don't forget, if you look down below, we have a handout. So some of you may have been trying to write all of this down. No need to worry. We have a handout on what to look for when choosing a real estate agent and kind of the way to do an interview and some things to look at. But number 5 is our little nugget extra for you. Some of you may already have a home, but you're looking to list it and rebuy. So if you're looking to list and repurchase, then you need to understand that when you're looking for a real estate agent to help you, you are hiring them, and you need to negotiate. Negotiate. Commissions are negotiable.
Si tiene que vender una casa, es muy importante de que saben que las comisiones son negociables para rentas de casas. So, preguntan si su agente va a usar la última tecnología. Es muy importante porque usando eso, si no lo usan, no pagan la comisión tan alta.
So, negotiate. If you're looking to list your home and also repurchase, that's something that you can talk to them about. We have the handouts down below. We've appreciated you tuning in thus far. I hope to offer you more video and more content in English and in Spanish. We are expanding, so if you're a real estate agent anywhere in the United States or even beyond, we're looking to partner with people because referral is important. So our native tongue always makes us feel at home, makes us feel more comfortable, and gives us that instant connection. Although we're all able to work and live in a diverse world and diverse communities, oftentimes it's just in something like this, that really large purchase or sell, it makes it a little bit nicer and more comforting to know that we're really connected with someone in our native tongue. So If you are a real estate agent and or you're a client and you're looking for a realtor in your area, because we serve the greater Sacramento area, Sacramento, San Joaquin, Placer County, multiple counties in this area in Northern California. But if you're beyond that area, or even if you're in that area but you'd like to partner up or you'd like to connect with an agent, go ahead and fill out the information below. We'll get you connected. We'll get you partnered with us. If you're an agent and you'd like to partner with us, we're growing. We're looking for referral partners as well. So that was a lot probably to take over. But yeah, so thank you so much for joining in. Again, I thank Erica for translating today. We're both realtors at eXp Realty. So if you're looking for us, we're licensed realtors in this area and we'd be happy to help serve your real estate needs. Thank you so much.